This is the Breville ice cream compressor. It lets you make a wide variety of frozen treats, everything from sorbet to frozen yogurt, gelato to ice cream. And using this dial, you can adjust the firmness within each option. There are 3 firmness settings within each, so you can get your ice cream exactly the way you like it. There's also manual controls, so you can adjust the time for your own recipe. And the great thing about using the compressor is that everything is self-contained. Today I'm making nectarine honey frozen yogurt, and to make my recipe, I need to start with my blender. I'm first going to blend my nectarines, a little vanilla, lemon juice, and honey. We'll let that blend for a few seconds. Great. I'm now going to add this puree to some Greek yogurt. And we'll move the blender out of the way. I'm going to combine the puree and the yogurt to make my base. Looks good already. I'm going to add these nectarine chunks toward the end of the processing because I'd like some chunks in my frozen yogurt. And luckily, the compressor is going to tell me exactly when to add those mix-ins into the base. So I'm going to pour this into the bowl, in the compressor. Great. Secure the lid. And I like a slightly firmer frozen yogurt. So maybe we'll go to that medium setting right there. And that's all I need to do. I'm going to press the start button and then we'll check back in when it's time to add in the mix-ins. It's now time to add in my mix-ins. And this little door makes it so easy. And after a few more minutes, our frozen yogurt will be ready. You can see how far along you are with these progress indicator lights. I think we're getting close. Let's take a look. Looks good, and about at that soft serve consistency, so just a little bit longer. And by those chimes, I can tell that my soft serve frozen yogurt is finished. Let's take a look at this. Ooh, I'll get some frozen fruit. That is delicious. So creamy, so rich. Perfect frozen yogurt made in the Breville ice cream compressor.